If you're looking for a quick and easy dinner for Taco Tuesday or any night of the week, these baked chicken tacos are just what you're looking for. Super simple, and they come together in less than 30 minutes. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite tacos ever, baked chicken tacos. These are not Mexican or Tex-Mex by any standard. They are basically just a throw together meal that comes together in less than 30 minutes, and they are kid approved. They're so simple to make, and you're going to use leftover chicken from your Sunday night dinner, or you can pick up a rotisserie chicken, or even better, grocery stores already sell shredded chicken. It doesn't get any simpler than that. So to make your baked chicken tacos, you're going to need some taco shells, and I just have like the regular corn taco shells that you get in the grocery store in the box. If you have a favorite taco shell recipe, you can feel free to use that. I have Cojita cheese. It's a crumbly, salty cheese. It is perfect. If you can't find it, you don't really have to have it. It just adds like another layer of flavor. We also have cilantro. Cilantro haters, you know what you need to do. Salsa, shredded Mexican cheese, garlic, onion, taco seasoning. You can use my taco seasoning recipe, or you can use your favorite store-bought taco seasoning, olive oil, and your shredded chicken. I have a great recipe for roasted chicken breast. What I do when I'm making these tacos or prepping for the week is I'll roast up an extra chicken breast using that recipe and shred up that chicken ahead of time. So you can do this on a Sunday and then have these ready to go on Tuesday, and this takes no time at all. So to start our chicken tacos, we're going to move over to the stovetop and we're gonna start making the chicken. So we're first going to heat the olive oil in the skillet over medium-high heat. Stir in your onions and cook your onions until they're starting to soften, get a little translucent, and then stir in the garlic. Just cook your garlic for about 1 minute until you can start to smell the garlic. Once your garlic is cooked, you're going to stir in your chicken and the taco seasoning and the salsa, and just stir all of that together. And you're just going to cook this until it's warmed through. Once your chicken is hot, we're going to stuff our shells. Now that our chicken mixture is ready, we're going to stuff our tacos. So I like to arrange them in a baking dish with sides so that they can kind of stand up in here. It just makes them a little easier to fill. So we're just gonna take the unbaked. I know that sometimes the directions tells you to toast your taco shells before you fill them. We're baking them in the oven, so we don't need to do that step. And it is kind of tricky sometimes to get them to stand up in here, but once you have them arranged, they'll kind of like stick in here in the sides. They won't slide around like that. And you're gonna divide the chicken mixture evenly among the shells. Just kind of like stuff it down in there. Just gonna wash my hands, and then we're gonna top all of them with a lot of cheese. So for this part, we're just gonna sprinkle the shredded cheese on. We're gonna save the cotija cheese for later. And now we're ready to pop these in the oven. We're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until that cheese is melted and bubbling. Our chicken tacos are ready, and I'm just going to sprinkle some cilantro on top and some of that cotija cheese. You can put some jalapenos on here. You could actually chop up some jalapenos and cook them with the onions if you want. Really, you can add pretty much anything you want, anything you like on tacos. Avocado would be great. We've mixed black beans and corn in here. There's really, again, no rules. Just sprinkle some of this cheese on top. Look how amazing that is. Oh, I cannot wait to take a bite of that cheesy goodness. Don't forget the ones on the sides. That's it. We're ready to eat. Let's take this little one here and take a bite. Scald my mouth on the hot lava of chicken taco. Oh, it's so good. It's crunchy and a little bit of heat from that salsa. You can taste taco seasoning, and the chicken's just tender and perfect and delicious. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.